Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I will talk about my favorite invention project. Project Mechanics Washing Machine. Number one. What is the invention? The washing machine is a home appliance that cleans clothes automatically instead of washing clothes by hand. A washing machine uses water, soap, and mechanical motion to wash laundry. Number two. Who invented it and when? The first version were simple machines made in the late 1700s to 1800s. The early patent for rotary washing machine was granted to Hamilton Smith in 1858. The first electric washing machine appeared in the early 1900s when electricity became common in homes. Number 3. What problem did it solve? Before washing machine, people wash clothes by hand using water, soap, and scrambling board. This took many hours and a lot of effort. The washing machine solved this by saving time, reducing physical labor, making clothes cleaner and more hygienic. Number 4. How does it affect society today? The washing machine affects many areas of life. Education. Students have more time to study and do homework instead of spending hours washing clothes. Health. Clean clothes help reduce germs and skin infection so people stay healthier. Communication. Washing machines don't directly improve communication, but they are the part of modern household technology that shows how technology connect to daily life. Environment. Washing machine use water and electricity. To using energy saving circle help protect the environment. Modern machines are designed to be the eco-friendly with less water and energy use. 5. Simple reference. 1. History of the washing machine, simple history article. 2. How washing machine work education website. Number 3. School science book, technology and invention. Thank you, sir.